Alright guys, welcome to this lesson on false moving average signals. Just like with any other indicator, there will be false signals. So how do you spot false moving average signals? Now example over here. Remember when I said when 50 cross above 100, then the downtrend will start to end. Okay, if you're in a downtrend and 50 cross above 100, then the downtrend will end. Does this mean that it happens all the time? No. How do you spot false signal? So you can see that this is a H1 time frame. Okay, and also over here there's a false signal, 50 cross above 100. How do you know this is a false signal? You can see that 50 cross above 100, then after that it crossed back down to below 100, then you get stopped out. Now look at this vertical point over here. If I switch to a higher time frame, for example H4, you look at where this point is, okay? It will be right here. So in the H4 time frame, at this point in H4, it is still in a downtrend. 50 is still below 100, 100 is still below 200. But in the H1 time frame, 50 is above 100. So how do you spot a false crossover in the lower time frame? Just check the higher time frame. You want the higher time frame to be in line with your lower time frame. Okay? You want H4, you want the higher time frame to be telling you the same thing as compared to the lower time frame. Understand what I'm saying? So I give you another example again. This is an uptrend. In an uptrend, you want 50 to be above 100, 100 to be above 200, right? So when 50 start to cross below 100, does this mean that a new long downtrend is going to be formed? Yes, you see a little bit of a downtrend, but very fast. It U-turn and then go back up. So this is actually a temporary retracement in a major uptrend. So this is a false crossover signal. How do you know whether it is false or not? Again, put a vertical line right here. At this point in time, when you shift to the higher time frame, look at where it is. Over here. Where 50 is still above 100, 100 is still above 200. Okay? So how do you know whether a downtrend is beginning? You want, again, H4 to be telling you the same thing. You want 50 to be below 100, 100 to be below 200. Okay? If it's telling you conflicting signals, then it is a false signal. Another example, downtrend, 50 cross above 100 over here. Does this mean that a new uptrend is starting to come? This is a false crossover, you see? This is just a temporary retracement in a major downtrend. Again, put a vertical line over here, shift to H4, and surprise, surprise. In H4, it is actually still in a downtrend. 50 is still below 100, 100 is still below 200 at this point in time. Alright, so make sure you apply multiple time frame analysis. This is really important. So basically, in summary, how do you prevent false indicator signals? First thing first, check higher time frame for confirmation. Make sure it's telling you the same thing. Secondly, understand that what seems like a reversal in a smaller time frame is just a retracement in the higher time frame. Okay? And remember that higher time frame signals trump smaller time frame signals, not Donald Trump, okay? What I'm saying is that higher time frame signals are more significant than smaller time frame signals. Okay? Always listen to the higher time frame, the big picture. The big picture is more important than a small picture. And fourth thing is, higher time frame drives the small time frames. Okay? The momentum in the higher time frame would drive the momentum in the smaller time frame. Okay? So if you ask me, should I listen to the higher time frame or should I listen to the smaller time frame? Higher time frame is always better, but the best thing to do is to make sure that both time frames are telling you the same thing. If one time frame is telling you to buy, the higher time frame is telling you to sell, then don't do anything. There's always another trading day. Wait for high probability trades. Understand what I'm saying? So with that, I'll talk to you in the next lesson. Bye.